Reliance Industries chairman Mukesh Ambani has resigned from the board of Reliance Jio, handing over reins to his elder son Akash Ambani, who will be the chairman of the board of directors. In a stock exchange filing, Reliance Jio Infocom said the company's board has approved the appointment of Akash M. Ambani, non-executive director, as chairman of the board of directors of the company. It said that the board of directors in their meeting held on June 27th noted the resignation of Mukesh D. Ambani as director of the company effective from the close of working hours on June 27, 2022. Akash has been closely involved with the disruptive and inclusive growth path chartered by the digital services and consumer retail propositions of Reliance Group and is now leading the creation of the convergence dividend for over 500 million consumers digitally and with high inclusivity across geographies and income levels. His elevation as chairman of Reliance Jio Infocom recognizes the specific contributions made by him to the digital services journey and redictates him to even higher levels of responsibilities going forward. Akash Ambani, who has graduated from Brown University with a major in economics, has been closely involved with the creation of the digital ecosystem around Jio's 4G proposition. He was closely involved with a team of engineers in inventing and launching an India-specific focused Jio phone in 2017, which became quite a revolutionary device to take many people out of 2G to 4G.